Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Buick LaCrosse. Stock number is A7000AA. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with General tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's plenty of room here in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this LaCrosse on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.